Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something every toolbox needs, a reliable socket set. Whether you're working on your car, bike, or home projects, the right socket set makes all the difference. Stick around as we review the best options out there to help you make the perfect choice. Number 1. DEWALT DWMT73803 168-piece socket tools kit. This 108-piece socket set is versatile enough to handle most of your garage projects. It includes a wide selection of 3/8 and a 1/4-inch drive-sized sockets, a 22-piece bit set, and 2 sets of 14 hex keys, available in both standard and metric sizes. While it may not have every tool for every possible job, it provides ample coverage for most automotive tasks. Many reviewers praise how securely the pieces fit within the case, ensuring that nothing shifts or falls out when opened. This thoughtful design not only saves time but also makes it easy to locate the right tool quickly. The set is backed by a full lifetime warranty from the manufacturer, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Having used this set for several months, I've been impressed with the quality and durability of the individual sockets and wrenches. The set also includes a variety of Allen keys, a screwdriver bit case, and a full combination wrench set. Despite the high number of tools, the case remains compact and easy to store, with a blow-molded design that securely holds each piece in place while still allowing for easy removal and reinsertion. Number 2. Nyko 02448 1/2-inch Drive Master Impact Socket Set. The Nyko 65-piece impact socket set is designed for heavy-duty tasks, making it perfect for those who frequently deal with lug nuts and other large fasteners typically encountered in automotive work. With its robust construction and larger socket sizes, this set proved its durability during our tests. We experienced no cracking or slipping while removing 22mm lug nuts from a truck rim. The secure locking mechanism between the sockets, extenders, and ratchets ensures they stay firmly connected, even under high torque, preventing any risk of the sockets coming loose during intense use. One of the standout features of this set is the inclusion of both standard and deep sockets for all sizes, offering versatility for various applications. Given that this is an impact driver set, the sizes are on the larger side, which is ideal for the types of bolts typically worked on with impact tools. The imperial socket sizes range from 3/8 inch to 1 1/4 inches, while the metric sizes span from 10 to 24 millimeters, making it well suited for tasks like removing lug nuts and other large bolts. However, if this is your only socket set, you might need to consider an additional set for smaller socket sizes. Number 3. Sunex 3583 1/8-inch Drive Master Impact Socket Set. It's hard to find a more versatile 3/8-inch drive socket set than this 80-piece collection from Sunex. The set includes 23 SAE sockets, with 8 standard, 6 deep, and 9 swivel joint options. The 34 metric sockets cover a wide range of sizes, featuring 12 standard, 12 deep, and 10 universal sockets in the most commonly used sizes. Additionally, there are 9 Torx bits and 9 external Torx sockets, making this set ideal for working on motorcycles or cars from brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Ford that frequently use these bolt styles. Car repairs often involve working in tight spaces, which is why the inclusion of 16 swivel joint sockets of various sizes, along with 3-inch, 5-inch, 10-inch, and 15-inch extension bars, is a standout feature. This set is clearly designed with serious or professional mechanics in mind. The only thing missing is a 3/8-inch driver, which would have made the set even more complete. This construction makes it harder and better equipped to handle the intense torque generated by impact drivers compared to the standard chrome steel used in other socket sets. Number 4. WorkPro KW003067 a 39-piece drive socket set. The 39-piece socket set from WorkPro is perfectly sized for handling most household tasks, making it an excellent choice for those who need a basic set without the need for automotive work. It comes with a 3/8-inch drive size but includes an adapter for a 1/4-inch sockets, offering flexibility for various jobs. The set also features a 3-inch extension bar, a spin disc for quickly removing loosened nuts, and a socket spinner shaped like a screwdriver that adapts to sockets. The sockets have a rust-resistant chrome finish and are available in a 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive sizes. While the set focuses mainly on smaller socket sizes, it offers a practical range. 28 sockets are a 1/4-inch drive, with 15 SAE and 13 metric, while 6 sockets are 3/8-inch drive, divided into 3 SAE and 3 metric. The compact plastic case keeps the sockets organized and makes it easy to carry around. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the set is more than capable of handling lighter-duty tasks. During our tests, the sockets and ratchet performed well, even when driving lag bolts into wood, demonstrating that this set is strong enough for typical household jobs. Number 5. Tekton 3/8-inch drive 6-point socket and ratchet set. This 47-piece set with a 3/8-inch drive is perfectly suited for most household and basic automotive projects. It includes both standard and deep-length sockets in SAE in metric sizes, covering a full range from 5/16 to 3/4 inches and 8 to 19 millimeters. The set also comes with 2 extension bars for reaching tricky spots and a universal joint to handle bolts at awkward angles. The 90-tooth ratchet is particularly precise, requiring only a small swing to operate, which makes it ideal for working in tight spaces. Despite its comprehensive features, the set remains compact, with no unnecessary extras, making it an excellent choice for everyday vehicle repairs and general projects. The design also ensures secure and smooth operation, with 4 detent grooves providing a solid connection to the drive tool and a beveled inner rim on the sockets for easy alignment onto fasteners. The sockets are neatly organized in a durable case with strong latches and clearly molded markings, making it easy to find and access the right tool when you need it.